I told them we on our way up. I know them wanna hate us. I know they bitches really wanna lay up. Oh, I know just how they feeling when they girls just play us. I know they notice me.
Greetings everyone, welcome back to another MeekFro video. Today we're talking about this wig from Divatress. The Zury brand called Naturally Star. She's in the color 4. The wig name is Rix. Okay, just showing you the part, and I've already cut my lace. This is a lace front wig. 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and then you have adjustable straps in case you want to tighten that wig up, girl. So this is how the wig looks when I first put it on. Like I said, I already cut my lace before this video for a photo shoot that I took featuring this wig. Y'all, this wig is synthetic, and I cannot stress this enough. It feels just like human hair. It is so like soft and fluffy. I say this about a lot of wigs, but for this wig right here, it is the absolute truth. Like, it feels like human hair. I had to go research and make sure that it wasn't human hair, and for sure it is synthetic. It says it's synthetic on the Divatress website. So yeah, so the way I chose to style this is cute without styling it, but I decided to like kind of slick the front down with bobby pins to give it a more, I don't know, tamed look. Okay, but all in all, this wig is extremely comfortable. The lace is soft, not irritable at all. Very big head friendly. I absolutely love how natural the part is. Very natural. Love it. I just could not stop playing in this hair. That's how soft it was. I just absolutely enjoyed this unit as a whole. Originally, this wig is a middle part, so I have it on the original way. But if you would like to rotate your wig for the part to be on the side or something, you can. It'll look just as good because this hair is even all the way around. So it won't look uneven if you decide to rotate it or put your part to the right or to the left, meaning completely rotate the wig. This wig does not shed at all. No strand at all coming out when you pull on the ends of it. There's no shedding like at all. This wig altogether is like a high quality, well put together wig. Like, not exaggerating at all. I did not comb out this wig or brush out this wig at all. The curl pattern you see is actually the curl pattern you get when you take it out of the package. If you are interested in this wig here, you will find the link and other information in the description box. If you do not find a link in the description box, please comment and I will get that link to you right away. And for those of you who follow me already on social media, YouTube, Facebook, that whole thing there, you guys know I have already reviewed Naturally Star Zury wigs before, so you might want to check those out. This is a great brand. I absolutely enjoy this brand, especially the collection Naturally Star. Great textured hair. It just about matches the natural afro kinky textured hair. I'm obsessed with it, most definitely. Thanks guys so much for watching this video. Do me a favor, thumbs up, share, subscribe to the channel, follow the channel. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Okay, bye bye. That's how it's supposed to be. Guess what they told me? Hey, get your money, threes and threes, and now we on our way